Hi guys, so previously I've showed a video that my headlamp washer arm had broken off. That's the one that has broke off. So I've bought a new one from online. So this is not the original arm, which is not too sure what brand is it. It says here, I think there's some brand here which says ANBSEN. So there's no Volvo word on this. The original one has a Volvo word over here. As you can see, there's none. So, but the plastic material feels good, feels okay. So let's try to put this on, and I will show you how I remove this bumper over here. So to remove, there are a few components to take out. I think you still have to remove this rubber first. Remove the panels on top over here. Then you can reach down for a latch that's below. Another item to remove is this arch trim over here. And there's also this panel, wheel arch panel below to remove. You just need to remove the front portion of these screws. Then you can access two nuts that is holding on to this bumper at this location. So I will make a video and let's see if after I remove and install back this arm, whether the headlamp washer cap will fit back in nicely like new. Okay, to remove this trim, you just need to push in the nuts here. Okay, so you just push it in and you will be able to lift off. So I just push in all of them. Lift off this rubber. Careful not to drop this. So over here I've removed all the 4 panels or 3 panels over here. I put it at one side. Just now there's 3 numbers of studs that is very tightly installed, so I couldn't remove, so I just break it off. You can just buy it very cheaply from AliExpress, the spare ones. So I'll show you over here. That's the one that I booked, and you can just get this very cheap from AliExpress. I've also got a few for the wheel arch one, so later I will show you. And now we'll remove the side arch trim over here and the other side, so that we can access the bolts to remove the bumper. So to remove this trim, you just need to pry it off from the side. Just pry it off. This held on by all these clips over here. Then when it comes to close to this front edge, you just pull it off. It's held by this 4 latch over here. Just pry it off. Okay, so we'll do it for the other side. The cover over here, you have to remove these 4 screws or 3 screws to access the nuts at the back. But because I don't have a jack or a hoist, so I will turn my steering wheel in to get easy access from inside. So let's remove this and access the nuts. These screws are T25 Torx. Okay, as you can see, after you remove, you can access, just lift it down to access the back. So I will just remove another few more. Okay. So just flip down this rubber trim cover, and you can look inside. I'll try to move the camera in to let you see where the nuts are. Okay, I think I forgot to show another 2 more things that I need to remove. There's 2 more studs. One over here, the other one at the back. Once you remove, you can push this down a bit more to get a better reach at the back. So to remove them, just do the same as the one on the bonnet. Just push it up. Right, then you can just pull it down. There's one damage over here. I bought a new one, so I will replace it later also. You just push it down, and 2 has been removed. Okay, so with that, you can lift down even more to get a better reach to the back over here. Okay, I'll try my best to show you where are the nuts. So at the back over here, okay, you will see one which is located here, and then another one. Let me see if I can get a better view. There's another one. Okay, over here, if you can move back, there's this I think it's a guide over here, and then there's another one which I have tried to remove a bit over here. There's this that's coming out, so there's 2, one in front, one at the back. The one at the back will have a slightly bit harder time to remove because it's a very tight space. So you can try to remove the front one first, and then use a kind of special tool to remove the back, which is hard to reach. Just a suggestion, I have this angled kind of thing over here. I don't know what is it called, but it helps to remove the nut. So the nut is actually positioned as such over here, like that, something like that. So with this, I can just push it in and then access from the back or from the bottom over here, and turn my ratchet tool to remove the nut. So same thing for the one at the back, at the bottom over here, the one that is closer to you. You don't need to use that, but it is a good tool to remove the nut if you have a very, very tight maneuvering space. So I've removed 2 screws over here, and then I'll remove the other 2 at the other side of the bumper. I have removed the other 2 nuts or screws over here, and then I'll remove the connector that is for the harness of the bumper sensors, all this. So you just remove this, and you can start to remove the front bumper. Okay, just a few more screws. Then at the bottom, as you can see, you have one over here and several screws that you need to remove.
Must remove those screws that is attached to the front bumper trim.
So there's total of 10 screws at the bottom of the trim at the bottom. So after remove, then we will pull this bumper out. To remove the bumper, there's two latch inside which has to be reached via here. It's either you use a long screw or a stick over here. So I show you where it is. I just go in here. As you can see my wind laser pointer. This is the one that is holding up your bumper. So you just need to push this in, and you can slide the bumper off. There will be two of them, one over here, the other one also somewhere over here. So I don't have my light over here, so you will have to look at it with some kind of a light source. So anyway, two of them, one over here, the other one over there, and slide the bumper out. Okay, I've sort of removed my bumper, and you can see over here, this harness, you also have to pull it out from the trim at the bottom here. Just pull it up, and then on the other side, just now we removed the harness connector from here. There's the connector over here from the one in the back here. So the other one that has to be removed is actually this rubber hose for the wiper. But I think if you want to remove, you can remove it from here instead. Anyway, I wouldn't be removing it because I would just want to install back my headlamp washer arm over here. So let's do that and see how it goes. Okay, since I have my bumper removed, so some of you may want to remove the grille to change to some other maybe R design trim. So the grille is actually installed with the bumper off, but if you manage to remove it, you can probably access the screw over here. There's one here, the other one at the back here, and then the rest will be just this latch over here. And I think on the other side is the same. Over that one over here, the other one over here. Then you can remove this grill trim and replace it with the R design. To install back this arm over here, you have to lift off this slightly a bit so that you get a easier access. So this end over here has to go onto this latch, or this rail over here. You can see at the other side of the trim, or the arm over here. Just do it the same way as what they did over there. So I will just install this and let's go. I think I broke my cover latch over here. There's a bit of disappointment, so I think I will just do a cable tie and then maybe super glue it on, and should be able to work. The cable tie will be able to fix it back nicely, right? Okay, halfway done through the installation, I realized that this trim is also very fragile. As you can see, I broke this, so I can't cable tie it, and this part of the trim is actually cracked. Not too sure if you can see it, but there's a small little crack over here. You can see here. So if I cable tie it, it will just fall off in time. So, and I think I will have to buy a new one and get it spray paint, so it will cost slightly a bit more. But anyway, I've installed this arm back, and we'll just need to get this thing, get a new one instead. Right? Okay. Let's install back. So the installation back will be the same in the reverse manner. So I'll just do it, and this will be another time. Right? Hope this video helped to let you know how to remove the Volvo XC90 front bumper. Good. That's all. If you like this video, do give a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.